And if we talk about some of the common mistakes also जो retail investors करते हैं before investing, आपके interactions के basis पे क्या आजकल के लोग गलतियां कर रहे हैं? What are some mistakes they are making, and how can they avoid those mistakes when it comes to investing and becoming a smart investor?
Yeah. I think very interesting and very good questions. Over a period of time, I have come across very specific mistakes that everyone ends up doing, and I would have also done myself some of them. पहली बात तो आप टिप से इन्वेस्ट ना करें. I mean, that is the first mistake that everyone does. Second is that generally I have seen, and it is called retail mentality, is that when you buy a stock and you end up making some money, you tend to book profit. But जब आप स्टॉक बाय करते हो ना वो नीचे जाता है, then you fall in love with the stock. And that is where I see biggest mistake, because बहुत बार आप सही भी होते हो, लेकिन 5 में से 4 आपके कॉल सही गए, लेकिन 4 में आपने बहुत छोटा प्रॉफिट बुक कर लिया, बट 1 में आपको बड़ा लॉस हो रहा है, बट आपने बेचा ही नहीं. So at the end of the day, you have made more losses than profit in absolute terms. So this is one of the biggest mistake, and the learning is that don't book your profits so early if you are confident in the stock, and book your losses the moment you think that your call or your decision has gone wrong. Just accept it and book the losses. I think these are the two things that is very clear. And third thing is that momentum and frenzy and hypes. I think hype में आप buy करोगे and fundamental नहीं देखोगे, then you would lose money. So like you say in cricket, right? Form is temporary, but class is permanent. In market, frenzy is temporary, but fundamentals are permanent. So I look at that way.
Well, that's a lovely quote. I really like that fundamentals are permanent. And the main message that you're trying to give is that don't get too attached to a stock.
Correct.
Basically, अगर वो नीचे भी गया, then you should have like that kind of unemotional attachment, like an unemotional thing towards that stock, so that you also maybe sell it and go out of the way.
Absolutely.
Yeah. If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.